Overriding list MyDataProvider injection with mocks in Quarkus tests. Problem overview. In Quarkus applications using CDI, you might have multiple beans implementing the same interface, injected as a list MyDataProvider using et al. When unit testing, you often want to replace all these beans with your own mocks, controlling exactly what gets injected. However, Quarkus does not provide a straightforward way to override the entire injected list during testing. Original setup example. You have tens of MyDataProvider implementations injected as a list. The goal is to replace them with a specific set of mocks and tests. Why this is tricky? Using inject mock or Quarkus mock.install mock for instance, works for individual beans but does not prevent other non-mocked beans from being injected. CDI injects all beans automatically, so the full list includes real implementations unless explicitly controlled. Concise solution. 1. Use instance MyDataProvider instead of list MyDataProvider. Change injection in your service from a list to a CDI instance T, which is iterable and more flexible for mocking. Two. Mock the instance MyDataProvider in tests. By mocking the iterator on instance MyDataProvider, you fully control what providers appear to my service. This prevents real CDI beans from interfering during your test. Improved approach, use a registry bean. Directly mocking instance can feel cumbersome and has limitations, especially with CDI features. Instead, create a registry bean as an intermediate layer. Benefits. You can mock the registry bean completely in tests with Quarkus mock.install mock for type. The mock registry can return any custom list or iterator of mock providers. CDI features, like bean validation, still work correctly on service beans. Summary. Replace it all list T injection with instance T to enable mocking its iterator. In unit tests, mock the instance to supply only your desired mock beans. For a cleaner and more CDI-friendly design, introduce a registry bean that is injectable and mockable. This approach keeps your tests focused and fully under your control, ensuring that only mocks you define are injected, without interference from actual CDI beans.